Have you ever wondered how tiny houses can make the most out of minimal space? Curious about the ingenious designs that turn small living areas into comfortable and stylish homes? Get ready to explore the world of tiny houses that push the boundaries of creativity and efficiency. Join us as we unveil 9 incredible tiny houses maximizing small spaces. We'll delve into innovative designs and smart solutions that redefine compact living. Join us on this exciting journey, where less truly becomes more, and discover how small spaces can lead to big living. The Rustic Cabin Retreat. The Rustic Cabin Retreat is a perfect example of how traditional charm can be infused into a tiny house design. This cozy cabin, often nestled in serene woodland settings, uses natural materials like wood and stone to create a warm and inviting atmosphere. Despite its compact size, the clever use of loft spaces and multifunctional furniture ensures that every inch of the cabin is utilized effectively. Inside, you'll find a small yet fully equipped kitchen, a comfortable living area with a wood-burning stove, and a loft bedroom that offers a snug retreat. Large windows bring in plenty of natural light, making the space feel more expansive and connected to the outdoors. The cabin's design emphasizes simplicity and functionality, with rustic decor elements that add character and charm. The outdoor area is an extension of the living space, featuring a porch or deck where residents can enjoy the tranquility of nature. This tiny house proves that you don't need a large footprint to create a comfortable and aesthetically pleasing home. With its thoughtful design and rustic appeal, the Rustic Cabin Retreat offers a perfect escape from the hustle and bustle of city life. The Modern Minimalist. The Modern Minimalist tiny house is a sleek and stylish example of contemporary design. With its clean lines, neutral color palette, and minimalist decor, this tiny house embodies the less is more philosophy. The open floor plan maximizes space, while strategically placed windows and skylights flood the interior with natural light, creating an airy and spacious feel. The interior features multifunctional furniture and smart storage solutions that keep the space uncluttered and efficient. For instance, the sofa can be converted into a guest bed, and the dining table can be folded away when not in use. The kitchen, though compact, is fully equipped with modern appliances and ample storage, ensuring functionality without compromising on style. The Modern Minimalist tiny house often includes a loft bedroom that provides a cozy sleeping area, while the main floor offers a comfortable living and dining space. The exterior design complements the minimalist aesthetic with a sleek facade and simple landscaping. This tiny house is perfect for those who appreciate contemporary design and seek a clutter-free, efficient living space. The Bohemian Haven. The Bohemian Haven tiny house is a vibrant and eclectic space that reflects a free-spirited lifestyle. This tiny house design embraces bold colors, mixed textures, and a variety of patterns to create a lively and inviting atmosphere. The use of vintage furniture and decor items adds a unique charm and character to the space, making it a true reflection of the owner's personality. Inside, you'll find a cozy living area adorned with colorful cushions, rugs, and wall hangings. The kitchen is compact yet functional, featuring open shelving and creative storage solutions that keep essentials within easy reach. The loft bedroom is a comfortable retreat, often decorated with fairy lights and bohemian fabrics that enhance the cozy ambiance. The Bohemian Haven tiny house also emphasizes outdoor living, with a deck or patio area that serves as an extension of the indoor space. This area is perfect for relaxing, entertaining, or enjoying a meal outdoors. The Bohemian Haven proves that tiny houses can be full of personality and style, offering a unique and cozy living space that feels like home.
The Scandinavian Escape.
The Scandinavian Escape tiny house embodies the principles of Scandinavian design: simplicity, functionality, and connection to nature. This tiny house features a neutral color palette, natural materials, and minimalist decor that create a serene and calming atmosphere. Large windows and skylights bring in plenty of natural light, enhancing the sense of space and openness. Inside, the layout is designed to maximize functionality without compromising on style. The living area is cozy and inviting, with a comfortable sofa and a small dining table that can double as a workspace. The kitchen is well equipped and features clean lines and efficient storage solutions. The loft bedroom offers a tranquil retreat, with simple decor and natural fabrics that promote restful sleep. The exterior of the Scandinavian Escape tiny house often includes a small deck or patio that encourages outdoor living. This space is perfect for enjoying a cup of coffee in the morning or unwinding in the evening. The Scandinavian Escape tiny house is ideal for those who appreciate clean, simple design and seek a peaceful, nature-connected living environment.
The Urban Micro Loft.
The Urban Micro Loft tiny house is designed for city dwellers who crave efficiency and style. This tiny house maximizes vertical space with a loft design that provides a separate sleeping area, freeing up the main floor for living and dining. The modern industrial aesthetic features exposed beams, metal accents, and sleek finishes that give the space a contemporary edge. The interior is cleverly designed to make the most of every inch. The living area includes a comfortable sofa that can double as a guest bed, and the dining table can be folded away when not in use. The kitchen is compact yet fully equipped, with smart storage solutions that keep essentials organized and accessible. The loft bedroom offers a cozy retreat with built-in storage and minimalist decor. Large windows and high ceilings enhance the sense of space, making the urban micro-loft feel larger than it is. The exterior design is sleek and modern, often featuring a rooftop deck or balcony that provides outdoor living space without taking up additional ground area. The urban micro-loft is perfect for those who want to live efficiently in the heart of the city without sacrificing style or comfort.
The Tiny Beach Bungalow.
The Tiny Beach Bungalow tiny house is a perfect retreat for those who love the coast. This charming tiny house features a relaxed coastal aesthetic with light colors, natural materials, and beach-inspired decor. Large windows and sliding doors open up the space to the outdoors, allowing residents to enjoy ocean views and sea breezes. Inside, the Tiny Beach Bungalow is designed for comfort and relaxation. The living area includes a cozy sofa, a small dining table, and plenty of natural light. The kitchen is compact but functional with open shelving and efficient storage solutions. The loft bedroom offers a comfortable sleeping area, often with views of the ocean or nearby landscape. The exterior of the Tiny Beach Bungalow includes a deck or patio that serves as an extension of the indoor living space. This area is perfect for enjoying meals outdoors, relaxing with a book, or entertaining guests. The Tiny Beach Bungalow proves that you don't need a large space to enjoy coastal living. With thoughtful design and clever use of space, a tiny house can offer all the comforts of a beachside retreat.
The Eco-Friendly Tiny Home.
The eco-friendly tiny home is designed with sustainability in mind, featuring eco-friendly materials, energy-efficient appliances, and renewable energy sources. This tiny house often includes solar panels, rainwater harvesting systems, and composting toilets, making it a self-sufficient and environmentally friendly living space. The design emphasizes the use of natural materials and minimal environmental impact. Inside, the eco-friendly tiny home is both functional and comfortable. The living area features sustainable furniture and decor, with an emphasis on natural light and ventilation. The kitchen is equipped with energy-efficient appliances and eco-friendly materials, ensuring a low environmental footprint. The loft bedroom provides a cozy sleeping area with natural fabrics and sustainable bedding. The exterior design of the eco-friendly tiny home often includes green features such as a living roof or vertical garden. These elements not only enhance the aesthetic appeal, but also improve insulation and air quality. The eco-friendly tiny home is perfect for those who want to live sustainably and reduce their environmental impact without sacrificing comfort or style.
The Tiny House on Wheels.
The Tiny House on Wheels offers the ultimate flexibility and freedom, allowing residents to take their homes wherever they go. This mobile tiny house is designed to be compact and efficient, with features that make it easy to transport and set up. The design often includes a loft bedroom, a compact kitchen, and a multifunctional living area that can be adapted for various uses. Inside, the Tiny House on Wheels maximizes space with clever storage solutions and multifunctional furniture. The living area includes a sofa that can double as a guest bed, and the dining table can be folded away when not in use. The kitchen is fully equipped with compact appliances and efficient storage, ensuring functionality on the road. The loft bedroom provides a cozy retreat with built-in storage and minimalist decor. The exterior design of the Tiny House on Wheels is both practical and stylish, with features that ensure it is road-ready and durable. The use of lightweight materials and aerodynamic design elements makes it easy to tow, while the exterior finish ensures it can withstand the elements. The tiny house on wheels is ideal for those who crave adventure and the freedom to explore new places without leaving the comforts of home behind.
The tiny urban garden house.
The tiny urban garden house combines the best of city living with a love for gardening. This tiny house features a compact design that integrates outdoor space, allowing residents to enjoy gardening even in an urban environment. The design often includes a rooftop garden or vertical garden system that maximizes space and provides a green oasis in the city. Inside, the tiny urban garden house is designed for efficiency and comfort. The living area includes multifunctional furniture and smart storage solutions that keep the space uncluttered. The kitchen is compact but fully equipped, with open shelving and efficient storage. The loft bedroom offers a cozy retreat, with large windows that bring in plenty of natural light. The exterior design of the tiny urban garden house emphasizes outdoor living, with a small patio or balcony that serves as an extension of the indoor space. This area is perfect for enjoying a meal outdoors, relaxing with a book, or tending to the garden. The tiny urban garden house proves that even in the heart of the city, you can enjoy the benefits of gardening and create a peaceful, green living space. These 9 incredible tiny houses demonstrate that living in a small space doesn't mean sacrificing comfort, style, or functionality. From rustic cabins to modern minimalists, each tiny house offers unique solutions for maximizing space and creating a cozy, inviting home. If you enjoyed this exploration, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to Dwellscape. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Until next time, keep discovering the world's wonders with us.